Now second lesson is my likes and dislikes. What is the name of the lesson? Which we have already learned, children. My likes and dislikes. Okay. As we know, every person has his or her likes or dislikes. Okay. Every person has his or her likes or dislikes. Now see this exercise work. Alan likes to play on the playground with his friends. Which of the following activities do you think he may like to do? On the playground, children. Playground. Which of the following activities do you think he may like to do on the playground? Okay. The options are playing football, reading, watching TV or drawing. Which activity he will like to play on the playground? Yes. The option is A, playing football. Okay. Playing football is the correct. Okay. Now see second one. Ria likes to eat sweets. Which of the following would she not like? Ria likes to eat sweets. Which of the following would she not like? Eating candies. Yes, because it's a sweet. She likes sweets. Eating sweet fruits. Yes, she likes eating sweet fruits because fruits are also sweet. C1. Eating Karela. Eating Karela. She will like eating Karela because Karela is what? Karela is bitter. Okay. So Ria will not like eating Karela and she will like eating sweet biscuits because she likes to eat sweets. Okay. So correct option is eating Karela. Okay. Now see the correct options. Rajat eats lots of popcorn all the time. It could means that Rajat eats lot of popcorn all the time. He eats all the time popcorn. It means Rajat likes or dislikes it? Likes. Yes. It means he likes eating popcorn all the time. Okay. Now see next. Alia does not listen to loud music at all. Alia does not like to listen music. It could means that which is a likes or dislikes. She does not listen to loud music. It means she dislike it. It means she dislike it. She dislike to listen loud music. Okay. Now see this. Spelling is given wrong. Write the letters in the correct order to know two things which children mostly like to do. Okay. Now spelling is given wrong. You have to make it correct. Can you make it? Come on, think. Yes. Playing. Very good. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. The correct answer is P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. And the C next one. Come on. Tell me. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. Okay. So now see. Which of the following will your parents not allow you to eat often? Which of the following will your parents not allow you to eat often? Apple, candy, dal and rice and dosa. Your parent will not allow you to eat. Come on, tell me. Apple? No. Dal and rice? No. Dosa? No. Candy? Yes. Candy, your parents will not allow you to eat. Okay? So, children, next see. Which of the following will your parents say no? It's a very bad. Very bad. The option is A. Fighting, B. Eating fruits, C. Reading and writing, and D. Cycling. Come on, tell me. Your parent will say no. Yes, your parent will say no. The option A is fighting. So fighting is a correct answer. Okay, children? Now see this. Given below are some activities you like to do, but your parents may not allow us to do some of them. Now I will read. You too also read, children. Eating lot of chocolate, playing in the rain, reading books and drawing. Your parents may not allow you to do these activities. Yes, your parents will say no, eating a lot of chocolate because they are not healthy. And playing in the rain. Playing in the rain also your parents may not allow you because you may catch a cold and fever. Okay? So children, we have learned lesson number 1 and 2. Revise at home. Okay children? Thank you.